Okay, basic step number 2 is stating the main idea. This is the general idea of the basic statement. Okay, that controls the topic. This is a controlling idea. So under the general statement or main idea, so it's like the summary. So you will write it on a piece of paper in a sentence. Okay, so your main idea should be very specific. It should go along with your topic. It should be tied with your topic, and you have to explain it clearly. Okay, your idea clearly to the readers. Okay, to be able to express your primary purpose. Okay, so this is an example. Okay, kindly read the thesis statement. Okay, everybody go. Okay, go. Elections. Okay, louder. Lack of competencies to okay, what about the supporting ideas? Go, letter A. Overriding activities make this democratic process rather disappointing. B. The complex electoral process discourages the voters to exercise their right to vote. And the last one. The candidates who have the right to vote qualifications and what do you notice in the thesis statement? How are they divided to be able to come up with the supporting ideas? How many were formed? How many ideas were formed for the supporting? There are 3. Okay, and they are divided by the following punctuation marks known as, what we call this? The colon, semicolon. Okay, they are divided with semicolon. It means that they are either dependent or independent clauses. So they are like sentences. Okay, specifically if they look like a complete sentence, that is a dependent clause. Okay, so there are 3 ideas that emerge out of the thesis statement, the main idea known as the generalization. Okay. Next is identify. Okay, so you need to identify the type of strategies for generating ideas or steps in the writing statement. Well, I guess before this, we shall proceed to the actual topic or the actual things that you are about to do. Okay, so you are, kindly have the 3 groups right now. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we'll start with Wendy and then I shall go to group 2. So you will have 3 subgroups for today. Okay, when we start 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. So all group 1 shall go to this part. Okay, group 1, kindly go, kindly stand. All group 1 shall proceed to the left side, to my left.